fellow artists. So as you can see from my paper here, today and this week you will be practicing a skill that some people think is really kind of challenging. And I would agree. I think portraits are something that maybe scares us a little bit. It's a little more challenging, but don't worry. I am going to kind of guide you through how to draw a portrait today in the most simple and easy way, just to make it easier for you guys. And also, I'm taking what I'm going to teach you in just a second from this worksheet, so don't worry, I'm going to take a photo of this worksheet also, and I will be posting that in the Google Classroom assignment. So you can practice with a bunch of different portraits if you would like, but the main kind of lesson that we're going with today is who is someone who is a hero to you in your life. Okay, so you are going to be drawing a portrait of someone who you consider a hero in your life. While you are practicing today, I would recommend drawing nice and light, just in case you make a mistake. It's easier for you to erase. But as you can see, I'm just starting out with an oval shape. Okay, I make it a little bit skinnier towards the bottom because just so that I know this is the top of the head and this will be the chin area. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw guidelines. Now I'm going to draw mine darker, but when you're drawing yours, make sure that you're drawing nice and lightly so that you can erase these guidelines so you don't have lines cutting through your face when you're all done with your drawings for today, okay? So I just split the oval in half with a vertical line running from the top to the bottom of the oval. Now a little bit higher than halfway up, I am going to draw a horizontal line from left to right, okay? About halfway down from there, I'm going to draw another horizontal line and then yet another right below that one. Okay, so feel free to pause the video at any time. That is the perk of a YouTube video. If you guys are like, whoa, Ms. Duza, slow down, you can pause the video and you can just kind of go along with me, okay? So you can pause, draw it out, and then keep playing it back. So by now we should have 3 horizontal lines and 1 vertical line. And these are our guidelines for the features of a portrait of a face. So now about halfway from the vertical line I drew to the side of the face, I'm going to draw a circle. Okay, not a gigantic circle and not a teeny tiny one. And then I'm going to try my best, I know it's hard to get the exact same size, but I'm going to try my best to get a similar sized circle on the other side of the face, the other half. Okay, now clearly these are going to be our eyes, right, our eye guidelines. So now from the top of one eye, I'm going to make kind of like a football shape, okay, or a lemon kind of shape. And I'm going to go ahead and draw that all the way around the circle, making sure that it's still touching my circle, okay? So it's not like floating way above the circle or way below the circle. It should be touching that circle. So I'm drawing in my kind of football shape. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, okay? So already that's starting to look more like an eye, okay, than just a circle floating out there. Now, with my second guideline down here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a nose. So for my nose, and I know everyone has different noses, so you might change this based on who your hero is that you're drawing today, but I am just going to go ahead and teach you a very basic nose. So here's the bridge, kind of going to the bottom half of the nose. And then I'm just going to do 2 more little curves for the nostrils at the bottom, and that's probably like the most basic nose shape you can get. I'm going to go ahead and erase the guideline just a little bit, make it easier for you to see that nose there. Okay, and once again, I am going to post that worksheet too, so you can refer back to that worksheet for features and things like that as well. Now you have the option of a mouth. If you want to go ahead and just do a simple line mouth, that is totally okay for this. But I am going to go ahead and attempt lips. Now, of course, we all have lips, but if you're drawing someone who is a male, the lips will most likely be a little bit thinner, a little bit smaller. And if you're drawing someone who is a female, the lips will probably be a little bit bigger. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw in some lips there. Not the best ever, but it will do. Be sure that you make the bottom lip a little bit wider than the top lip, which I think is the mistake that I probably made there. And once again, you're going to make sure you're drawing nice and lightly, so in case you make those little mistakes along the way, it's nice and easy for you to just erase and change them up. Okay, so there's a mouth. So now is the fun part, right? Because we just have a very basic face shape, but now you're really going to think about who this hero is, and you are going to first erase the guidelines. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to keep you here for way too long in this demo video, but you are going to start to add in little details, okay? So like the pupils of their eyes are one of the details, right? And I know we all got to practice the eyes, so we should probably have a good understanding at this point of eyelashes. Start to kind of draw in some eyelashes. Do they have the lid line on the top? Okay, all these little details are going to help take this portrait and really make it look more like the person you're drawing, okay? I'm doing little lines here for eyebrows. You want to make sure you give that person some eyebrows. Even if they're really thin or really light, they should still have eyebrows in there. Okay, just trying my best to make them somewhat similar. And then I'm going to go ahead and add hair, because he's looking a little crazy now without any hair. Okay, so of course everyone's hair is going to be very different. Is it long hair? Is it short hair? Do they have hair? They might be bald. Maybe they don't have a lot of hair. Okay, so you can kind of draw that in. And that already is going to make it look a little bit more realistic. Keep in mind, if they have short hair, they should probably have ears on both sides, okay? If you're drawing everything in and you realize the face shape is weird, go ahead and you can kind of make it a little bit thinner. You can switch it up, okay? So like in this one, I think I would probably make her face a little bit smaller. And I would erase the bottom line that I originally had, and already that's starting to look better. I know, of course, I still have my guidelines. You will make sure that you erase those, okay? So shoot for one big portrait for this project today, but if you want to practice a bunch of different portraits, you can absolutely do so, okay? Because the more you practice it, the better you'll get at it, okay? Don't be afraid. I have lots of resources today to help you out. Just try your best and have fun. All right, good luck, artists.